Good morning. This is Mr. Duran here. I've been noticing that there is some confusion with where to find my attendance question. All right. So I'm going to show you for all of your classes if you take any class with me. Okay. What you're going to do, you're going to click on the team that you belong in. It'll either be choir, band, beginning band, or advisory with the rainbow wheel. Okay. I'm going to just click on this one. It's the same for all of them. Look at this. I have a post that says attendance is located to the left under the attendance channel. Okay, if you follow this arrow right here, look over here. There are channels, different channels. Okay, you will click on the one that says attendance. It will take you here. If you scroll up just a little bit, there's this little bird guy called Polly. That is what our attendance is. It says right here for choir, TMS choir Thursday, 10-1 attendance. That's today, October 1st. Please respond with here if you are present 8 a.m. to 11:59. If you do not answer or answer with not here, you will be marked absent. Please respond before midnight. What you're going to do is you're going to click here and then you're going to submit your vote and then you're done. Okay. And look, it just updated that I just took attendance. That's it. Okay. It's in the same place for all the classes. TMS band, attendance. Here's today's date. Click here, submit vote. Beginning band and advisory are the exact same. Okay. Now, if for some reason it's not letting you vote, all you're going to do, okay, is you'll just comment. You'll hit reply and you'll say it is not working, but I am here. Okay? All right, if that doesn't work, but it should be working for everybody. Okay? I hope that helps. Let me know if you need help. Take care.